Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this video tutorial on the makeup that I have on right now. I filmed this look for you guys. Also I updated my hair, no longer have the dark roots. And this is actually just from Purple Shampoo. I bought a hair dye that was supposed to give me like this color, but it didn't work and it kind of ended up like a rose gold kind of lavendery color. So this is my hair right now. I actually really like it. Anyways, I started rambling a little, but if you guys are interested in learning how I created this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So starting off with skincare, I'm using the Pure Lace Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer and applying this on my face. Next, I'm going in with the Pixie Brow Powder Duo in Deep Blonde to Brunette, and I'm using the lightest shade and applying that to the inner part of my eyebrow, and then taking the darker shade in the little duo and using it to fill in the rest of my eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows are really sparse. I try to make them as even as possible. I just fill in wherever there are gaps or wherever it needs extra filling in. Since they're a little dark for my hair, I use this Pixie Brow Brightener and just brush that through my eyebrows, and it actually does lighten your eyebrows quite a bit. Then I'm going to clean them up or carve out the brows, whatever you like to call it, with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand Sable, and just using the same angled brush, just cleaned off and just dragging that concealer down and blending out with the finger. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of that concealer and apply it to the lid, and this will be our eyeshadow base. Using the BH Cosmetics Jan XO palette, I'm taking the lighter eyeshadow shade and applying that to the brow bone and just underneath the eyebrow. Then after that, I'm going to be taking this reddish brown shade and using a fluffy brush, just blending that into the crease and blending it out really well actually. And then just, you want to get a little bit more and just concentrate it on the outer corner there and just blend it out nicely. Taking the light pink shimmery shadow at the top corner there, I'm just going to apply this to the eyelid only. Then I'm taking that reddish brown shade once again with the fluffy brush and blending it out, and then using the light shade again, and then I'm going to use that same reddish brown shade once again, dragging that underneath the bottom lash line. And for eyeliner today, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. I'm going to do a quick winged liner with this, and then we're going to do the mascara. Then I'll just curl my eyelashes. Then I'm going to apply a couple of coats of the Balm's Scuba Mascara, which is just a black waterproof mascara. It's really good to lengthen your eyelashes. It holds a curl pretty well as well. So yeah, just doing that. And then moving on to the bronzer, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I think the shade is like Muru Muru or something like that. It's on the back. And I'm just using an e.l.f. Powder brush to apply it, and it smells so good. It smells like coconuts, guys. I love it. Then for highlight, I'm using this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Flexitarian, just applying that anywhere where I want to highlight. This is one of my favorite highlighters. It's seriously like so creamy, and I like to apply with my fingers. I don't like to use a brush. I feel like it applies a lot better with the fingers. For blush, I'm using Milani's Luminoso and just that same brush that I used for the bronzer, just to warm up my face. For the lips, I'm using this Jouer liquid lipstick in the shade Noisette, and no lip liner, just using this, overlining just a little bit with the lipstick. and I wanted to top it off with a light coat of the Note Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Berry Pink, just because I wanted more of a pinky lip but also glossy as well. And that is the makeup. Alright, so this is the finished makeup with the eyeshadow and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I haven't filmed anything for you guys in a while, and just life is hard, you know, especially when you have kids. I'm not gonna make excuses for myself, because I always try to make it an excuse as to why I don't post videos, but I'm just gonna post videos whenever I can. Hopefully that's more often, but I decided to make a schedule for myself so that I can keep track of days when I need to film and all of that stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.